How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if you're having trouble signing into your Instagram account. So if you have been trying to log into your Instagram account and unable to do so, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Go over to your settings menu and then go to connection settings. Tap on connections and go to Wi-Fi. So in many cases, the problem might not actually be Instagram, but your own internet connection. So all you have to do is go ahead and check for your connection. And if your Wi-Fi is not working, then you might want to switch over to mobile data. Turn off Wi-Fi and then turn on mobile data or vice versa. And once that is done, you want to go over to your search bar or any other web browser and simply search for speed test. Hit enter. And you can easily find your speed test over here. Go ahead and tap on run speed test, and then it will show you your internet speed in megabits per second. Now, once you run a speed test, what you need to do is check for another thing, that is check if the Instagram servers are down. So what I'm going to do is basically go ahead and search for down detector and go to downdetector.com. Tap on the search icon at the top right, and you'll find all of these very popular websites if they have been down. So I'll just go ahead and do that. As you can see here, it has shown the Instagram outages reported in the last 24 hours. It is not much, but there have been some reports. So it might be the case that Instagram servers have been down. So in that case, you just need to a few hours and the servers will be back up automatically. Now, in very rare cases, you might want to go ahead and try to uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it back again. So doing this will allow you to completely refresh the app. So tap on the uninstall button, tap on OK, and reinstall it from Google Play Store. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.